everyone. My name is Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and I'm here with Grace.
Hello.
I'm sure you recognize her face. She is the owner and founder of EYB Marketing, and she travels with me to do my content creation. So we're going to sit today and talk a little bit about the invitation-only event, Custom Home Builder Workshop that we were attending in San Diego by Schluter. This was a great event. And so we're going to talk a little bit about that, and then a little bit about the things we did outside of the workshop in San Diego to, get out of this heat that we have here in Houston, the beautiful weather over there. So if you are planning a trip to San Diego for any reason and you haven't been, keep in mind you need a sweater.
Yes.
It's sunny, so probably partially you're not going to need that sweater, but then in the evenings you definitely will. So the first thing I want to say about this Schluter workshop was it was really amazing to me how organized it was, how many marketing materials that they had. We had so many questions, and the presenters of this workshop were so helpful. Of course, they've worked there for a while, so they're very knowledgeable, but they were very engaging with us and so helpful in answering all my 20 pages of questions that I had to ask. And you guys enjoyed it too. And you guys are not in construction.
Exactly.
And, you and Jesse were there for the content creation, but at the same time, you sat through the workshop, and I thought to myself, oh, poor Grace, she has to sit and see how to waterproof a shower. But they really enjoyed it too, and you learned some stuff too.
Yeah, we learned a lot, and like Nadine said, we were there to get their social media stuff, but we learned a lot about the company, and they're very thorough and engaging too. It's a new topic for us, but it was super engaging, and we loved it, honestly.
Yeah, so they had us staying at the Bahia Resort, which was beautiful. It was a very nice grounds right by the water. But again, the organization and all of the scheduling and planning that they had was great. And a lot of people might think that, going to a workshop like this might be boring. It might be, oh my gosh, I have to sit through a classroom, but it really wasn't like that. And they made it a point to make sure that they said, we really want you to enjoy the whole experience, have free time to enjoy yourself. And so that was really great for them on their part. But of course, it's getting back to the organization is a German company, so
Of course,
that's
they're
not
on top of
surprising.
it.
Yeah.
And they also arranged for us to do a catamaran sunset dinner, and we got to see the San Diego skyline and be out in the bay. It was so beautiful, and it was very, like Nadine said, very organized, and it was a great evening to get to also talk to everyone else. It was a very small group. It was about 13 people, so you got to know everyone.
Yeah, other builders, which was great. And I learned a lot. Being in construction is something that you always need to do. You always need to learn the new trends, the new changes, and not just the things that are looking pretty, but building something properly and how to do things better. And I definitely think that I learned a lot. We use Schluter a lot, but they have a lot of new products and new things that, we learned about, and that was great. So I think that, if you have any opportunity to attend one of these events as a builder, definitely do it, because it's a great experience. Not only do you learn a lot, but they take good care of you. So I would highly recommend.
Yeah, and they pick great locations for
Yeah.
these workshops. I mean, there was, like Nadine said, they do give us some free time to go see San Diego. So we went over to La Jolla and saw the Cove over there, and they have beautiful rooftops. We went to one called Bird's Eye. I would definitely check that out if you ever go. And the Cove over there had seals. The seals go and lay on the rocks, so that was super cool to see while we were over there.
Yeah, definitely take advantage of the beautiful scenery and the beautiful weather, especially if you're in a place like me or like us that's hot. We were like, oh, we're so sad to leave San Diego's beautiful weather, but yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, we couldn't stop talking about it the whole time. Like, it's so beautiful here.
Yeah,
we love it.
Well, thanks again for attending that event with me, doing all my social media. So we just wanted to, again, make this short video about our experience with the Schluter's workshop. And until then, we'll see you in the next one.